Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Nemo's Talk Sense. Today's topic of discussion is, yes, it's Christmas season, it's holiday season, so let's talk about Christmas today. So popular facts about Christmas. Your favorite, Santa Claus. Who doesn't love Santa Claus? Everybody loves Santa Claus. In fact, whenever I think of Christmas, the first thing that comes to our mind is of Santa Claus. So Santa Claus, when I think of Santa Claus, we think as an old man with the popular red color. If I speak in fact, the red color thing was not related to Santa Claus at all. It is a popular marketing stunt by the favor of Coca-Cola. And who is Coca-Cola? Warren Buffett, exactly. So it is a popular marketing stunt of Coca-Cola which made Christmas and Santa Claus everything red. So the red wave basically. It's not related to communism anyways. Next, the name Santa Claus originates actually from Saint Nicholas. Santa Claus is a real person actually, if I say. It's not about that fiction. Santa Claus lives in North Pole with his elves and everything, all those things which we imagine. He makes those elves pack the gift for us. He takes a reindeer and sleigh. It's not like that all. He existed in real, for real. The Saint Nicholas thing is a real legend. It is the time of 13th century Russia. Prussia to be precise. Now where is Prussia? Prussia was an ancient empire when Germany and Russia existed together. In fact, if you notice the names of Russian cities, the older names, they were usually Germanized. You will notice a German accent in them. So the Saint Nicholas was a real person who used to think about poor kids. So you can just think of an Russian revolution, the restart of revolution from that time, the poverty, rich and poor thing. So Saint Nicholas, Mr. Nicholas was a very rich man. So what he used to think about the destitute kids, the poor kids, he thought that why not just distribute the needy things for them, and which would be gift, which the kids would feel like it's a gift for them, blessing from the God. So Nicholas used to dress in green. The popular Santa Claus dress we see, it's red color. Actually, it was greenish color. So imagine that in greenish color. So he used to popular dress in green, ride on a horse and move over the town of Prussia, where he stayed, and secretly distributed gifts on the doorstep of the kids and hand of the kids, whatever. So the sledge reindeer thing is different. It's actually what was horse, and it was Saint Nicholas. Over time, after he died, he was named Saint Nicholas in his honor. So Santa Claus actually was green color and not red. Red was due to Coca-Cola and not due to Russian Revolution, exactly. So Saint Nicholas eventually became Saint Nicholas. Santa. I mean, if you notice in German terms, there is nothing as C. It's usually spelled as K. So you can write Claus. If you write Claus, is usually Claus. So Nicholas became Nicholas, and people are lazy. I am also lazy. So it eventually became Santa Nicholas to Claus, and which is popularly written as Santa Claus. And that is the story of Santa Claus. So wishing you all a belated Merry Christmas. I know it's been a while uploading videos and everything. I'm really sorry for that. I also have a busy schedule. I'm a college student currently. I'm pursuing my research and internship, everything. It gets loaded, it gets heavy. So, and yesterday was Christmas. I'm uploading video today. So many sincere apologies for the same, and nothing as much. Belated wishes to everyone. And if you like the video, do like, do share. Do let me in the comments if you need more videos like that. Do let me know in the reviews, and I will see you in the next video of Nemo Talk Sense. That's it for the day. Thank you.